For lesson 6.2, we are counting by tens to 120, and the question we're trying to answer is how do numbers change as you count by tens to 120? And these first two lessons are very critical for students to be able to understand place value. We are using the 120 chart in class, so don't be afraid to use it at home. But by looking at it, we were able to in class explore and be able to find how ones and tens change on the 120 chart. And we also look for different kinds of patterns when we're counting by ones as well as counting by tens. So for the first 9 problems, 1 through 9, you are counting by tens and use the counting chart. For the first one would be 1, 11, 21, 31, and talk about how the ones doesn't change, but we're adding a 10 to it each time. At the bottom, it is asking you to find the missing number. I am after 70, I am before 90. You say me when you count by tens. What number am I? For counting by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 80 is between 70 and 90. On the back side of the homework, the first problem says count by tens what number is missing. We can see in our pattern that the ones is never changing. Our ones is always 4. Our tens is changing. 40s, 50s, 60s, so it would be 74 and 84 would be our missing numbers. On the spiral review, number 2, which way shows how to make a 10? Well, if we make a 10, we know that we slide 2 of them up. So we would say 8 plus 2 plus 3. At the bottom, the last problem on the spiral review, it is back from chapter 5 with related facts. They give us 3 of them. We just have to find the last related fact, which would be 15 take away 9 equals 6.